Today guys, we're going to review something that is not common here in our channel, and this is a wireless mic. Now, probably you're somebody who loves to sing, or you just simply want a wireless mic for conferencing or other activities for entertainment. I'll show you how good this is right after this quick intro. So I recently bought this one, the Phenyx Pro PTU-1U. So this is a single mic, but they have a dual mic setup. All I need is just one mic, so I bought the single mic variant. Let's quickly browse through the specification. It has a range of 500 to 600 megahertz. It has a true diversity operation mode, 1000 frequency. It has an audio output of 1 balanced XLR output and 1/1/4 mixed output. Working distance is 300 feet to 328 feet. And this microphone works on 2 AA batteries, and it can last you up to 6 hours of talking time. So you have the power button down here, which operates like this. Now you see the display over here when it's turned on. But of course, this mic doesn't work just standalone. You need all of the other things to make it work. What I did is I bought a professional mixer for karaoke, and I paired it together with my Audio Engine HD3 speakers. What I did here is hook my Phenyx Pro to the speaker, and the speaker connected Bluetooth wirelessly to my television. Now, every time that I want to sing, all I need to do is just simply search on YouTube. But first, of course, let me show you the connection. Now, this is how the Phenyx Pro looks like. And you have your frequency over here. And yeah, you can just simply set your frequency over here. You can set your volume over here, should you like. And of course, here's my Audio Engine speaker. And this is my mixer. So what I did is that I connect this one, the Phenyx Pro, all the way to my mixer. Okay? So whenever I speak through this wireless microphone, it will transmit everything here. Mix it up, then it will port it all the way from this to, it will port all the way to my speaker. Now, the speaker is wirelessly connected to my television, so it's very easy. So it's wireless connectivity between my television and my speaker using Bluetooth technology. Now I can easily calibrate the volume. I can check the equalizer over here, check the echo over here, and other stuff that I need to do. And yeah, it's very easy. As well as this one is very easy to set up. All you need to do is just put these two antennas. It will work seamlessly. So right now we'll be trying it out and see how good the sound is. And I'll be putting this microphone beside the speaker, and we'll be singing our hearts out. And the song that I'll be singing is from Ronan Keating, which is When You Say Nothing at All. Take it away.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying no word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd. Try as they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. Touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
So basically, there you go, guys. We've tested it, and yeah, I've tried several songs during my testing with this setup, and I'm quite happy with the performance it can give you. And yeah, I can carry this mic around without having any wire, which is definitely one of the upside. And the sound is quite not bad for a wireless mic. Now, I believe that you can also use this as for other function, which probably one of the other thing that you can use this one is for public speaking, for seminars, and for other things. And if you have a really good speaker system, I think this wireless microphone can reach its potential. So what can I say, guys? If you are looking for a really nice wireless microphone system, consider this one, the Phenyx Pro. And you can buy it either one single microphone or two microphones, depending on you, on your needs. And I'll be popping the link on the description box below where you can buy this one. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you on my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.